guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria from Keep You Holistic, where I talk about healthy living, motherhood, and more. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my recipes for my homemade cleaners. I haven't had to buy cleaners for a long time because I now make them at home. And the first reason is obviously you're going to save money doing that, and it's only a few simple ingredients. It's really easy to make, and I just do it once I run out of stuff. And the other reason is there's a lot of nasty stuff and a lot of standard cleaners. There are a few cleaners that are pre-made that you can buy, and I'll link them down below, that are healthy. But I just prefer to make my own. And so stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys what kind of chemicals and stuff are in your normal Tide, your Cascade, your Dawn dish soap. So stay tuned for that. And then I'm also going to be showing you guys my recipes. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you why I make my own cleaning products or get natural cleaning products. And this is the EWG website. This helps you discover what ingredients are in your cleaning products, cosmetics, etc. And it gives you a rating and it tells you the possible side effects of those ingredients. So here I am searching for Cascade dish detergent. So this is a product that I used to use, and you can see some of the possible effects, including cancer, developmental problems, damage to DNA, etc. So I decided to get rid of that. And next I'm going to be searching for Tide, which is my laundry detergent that I used to use. And as you can see, it has some similar negative effects. Also, it has a low rating. So the first recipe that I'm going to show you is for dishwasher detergent, and as you just saw, Cascade is not really good for you. So I came up with this recipe a few years ago, and I have heard some people, like people that repair dishwashers, say that sometimes these DIY dish detergents can cause problems for your dishwasher. Now I've been using this dishwasher detergent for about, I think actually 3, maybe 4 years, and I have not had any problems with my dishwasher yet. It works just fine and my dishes get clean. So it is about 1.5 cups of washing soda, 1 cup of citric acid, a 1/2 cup of baking soda, and a 1/2 cup of salt. And I try to use fine salt for this recipe. So when I go to run my dishwasher, I make sure that I put some vinegar in, just this pure vinegar, in the dishwasher in the bottom of it, and then in the soap dispenser part I put that detergent. And what the vinegar does is it acts as a kind of pre-rinse type of thing before the soap comes in and does more of the heavy duty cleaning. The vinegar kind of makes your dishes shine a little bit more. So some other things that I use vinegar for is to clean my coffee maker. And I don't drink coffee a whole lot, but occasionally I do. And once in a while, if you're drinking coffee regularly, like every day, you probably want to clean it out every few weeks at least. I would say maybe even once a week, because especially if you leave the lid down on it, you leave it closed up, it can grow a lot of nasty bacteria in there. So I put a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of distilled water, let that run, and then just do water so that it can flush all the vinegar out, and wipe down the outside and the inside as much as you can with vinegar, and that will really kill anything yucky in there. And another thing that I use vinegar for is things like cleaning appliances, specifically my washer. So I run my washer with this much vinegar, and I do a full wash, and then I do another wash with baking soda in it, this much, and that gets my washer nice and clean and ready for my next load. So my next recipe is going to be for a vinegar and orange cleaning solution, and it basically is just orange peel and some white vinegar, and you just put them in there, and you let it sit for about 2 weeks, and then you can use it. You take the orange peel out and use it, and this is a great way to use up your orange peel instead of letting it go to waste. And another use for orange peel, I'm just gonna throw this in here, is you can throw it in your, if you have like a disposal system in your sink, it's really great for that. You can throw it in there and then it kind of gets rid of the yucky smells in there. So this is one way I use orange peel. So I wouldn't use this on mirrors, and the reason for that is that it might leave a little bit of streaking. And if you don't want to use orange peel, you can also use orange essential oil or lemon essential oil, and you just put in a few drops, like maybe 4 or 5 drops, and it'll scent your cleaning solution, kind of get rid of that vinegar smell. So I save the vinegar just pure vinegar for cleaning my mirrors. That is my all-purpose cleaner, and what I use for more dirty stuff, or I use it specifically for cleaning some of the time stuff in the bathroom or my floors, I'll use this Sal Suds from Dr. Bronner's, and this is similar to their basic Castile soap, but it's a little bit more heavy duty. So for mopping specifically, they recommend a ½ teaspoon per gallon of water. So I use around that much. I make sure I use nice, really pretty much boiling hot water, and that will get rid of any yucky stuff on your floors. The last recipe that I'm going to show you is for my foaming hand soap, and this works if you have a soap dispenser that is foaming or not foaming. I don't have a foaming one. I actually have a pretty nice one that I got from Amazon. It's glass, and I got an amber colored one because that helps protect the essential oils in the soap. And you can make this unscented or scented. If you want unscented, you're just basically gonna do distilled water most of the way, and then 2 tablespoons of the Castile soap on top. I have about 12-ounce size soap dispensers. So if you're, most soap dispensers are gonna be around that size. So you wanna fill it up most of the way. You don't wanna fill it all the way to the top, because when you go to put your pump part in there, it could overflow, so be careful with that. And then if you want it to be scented, add a few drops of essential oils in there, and that will scent it really nice without all the chemicals. So I also use this hand soap recipe for my dish soap as well. It cleans my dishes just nice. Most of the time, if you're a mom like me, you want to run your dishwasher as much as possible, but there are a few things that you have to hand wash. So I hope that you enjoyed this DIY cleaners video, and let me know if you try out these cleaners. And I've been using these for years. They've saved me money, and I haven't had any issues with them. They work really good. So let me know in the comments below. And I'm hoping to make a video soon on me actually using these cleaning products. So stay tuned for that. And my baby's starting to get upset, so I'm gonna have to say bye here. So please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Be well, guys.